Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enhance your audio with AI on Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my Filmora application. And first of all, I'm going to click on my video like this, and now my video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active now. And then to enhance the audio of this video, we need to go to the audio setting on Filmora. You can go to this menu, select audio, and then you're going to scroll down until you find AI voice enhancer, and then you can activate this feature to enhance your audio. Okay, and here you can increase the voice clarity and also voice beautification. And for me, I'm just going to use this one, the voice clarity. I'm going to increase it until 100. Okay, and now the voice clarity has been applied to my audio, and I hope that my audio will be better than before because the AI voice enhancer feature has been applied. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enhance your audio with AI on Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.